Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. There was this one time I saw a beautiful cup. It was shining, it was elegant, and it's almost perfect. But when someone picked it up to drink, it was full of dust from the inside. It looks clean, but it wasn't ready to be used. You know, we're like that cup. We look okay, we smile, we go to church, we even post Bible verses in social media. But what's inside us? We carry pride, we carry hatred, bitterness, anger. Why? God is reminding us right now that it's not all about how you look, but it's all about a heart that is forgiving, a heart that is full of love, and a heart that is humble. Because the real faith is not about your performance, but it's all about your transformation. Why don't we ask Him right now to clean us from the inside so we can be pure again? In Psalm 51:10, it says, "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me." So, dear brothers and sisters, let's be good from the heart and not just from the outside. Hope this helped, and thank you for joining me today. To God be the glory.